She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see.
We've decided to book a camper van on the farm. Hello everybody, welcome to a new day or a new vlog, I'm not sure. It is Saturday the 7th of November and me and Tommy are gonna do a little day trip. It's Saturday, so we're both off today, so we're just gonna head to the beach, Mon Repos. If you don't know, that's basically what Bundaberg is famous. They've got like turtle season there. It's actually turtle season right now because it's November, but I don't know if we'll see any. I think you have to see them at night. It's 20 past 11. We just had our breakfast. We made lovely like toast with scrambled eggs and avo, tomato, iced coffee, super yummy. And yeah, now we're going to the beach. We are starting our walk from Gara Beach to Mon Repos. He's got himself stuck.
Oh, nah. I can get out of this. Do you want me to get out of it the cool way? Or
No.
the not cool way? Okay.
What are you doing?
I'm turning around. This is the not cool way. No, I'm doing the cool way.
That wasn't cool.
Well, it felt cool.
We made it to Mon Repos. Woo! And I'm super sweaty. So guys, we're a little bit more than halfway on our walk. We are gonna end up in Bagara, I think, and we're at Mon Repos beach right now. I'm sorry for the wind. We're just gonna chill here for an hour or so, have a little swim in the water probably, and then carry on our walk. We are on our way back. We stayed on the beach for a couple of hours, and now we are going up. What's the place called? Elliot Heads. And we're going to IGA. We're going to watch the sunset.
Let's go.
Hello, kangaroo. This is like the 4th kangaroo we've seen today.
It's got Joey in his pouch.
It doesn't even have a pouch.
It's got a pouch, look.
It doesn't. It does not.
Guarantee you that has a little Joey in the pouch.
There is no pouch. Aww. It is the next day. Yesterday we went to a little fish and chip shop to get some chips, and then they were closing, so they gave us like everything they had, which was really nice, and I was too tired and lazy to vlog, so that's why I didn't vlog that. But this morning we moved into a new room. We have a private room now, which is really cool. And we're on our way soon to McDonald's because I'm gonna upload 2 videos. But yeah, this is how our new room looks. It's really like, it's quite small, but we have a sink and a mirror and a clothes stand. And this is my shelf and a bedside table. And this is the bed.
Yeah.
It looks so messy right now, but I promise you we will clean it. We will clean it. This is the outfit of the day. I got a mocha frappe, so good. And Tommy got an iced latte. So I'm uploading 2 videos in one go, and it says 22 minutes left, so that's super fast compared to the hostel. How is it?
Oh, that's really sugary.
Oh, that's what I check out. Try this one then.
Yeah, that's going to be sugary.
Yeah. Maybe you won't like it then.
No.
You don't like it? Oh, I love it. Kmart, looking for travel things, although we still don't have a car to go in. Dinner is served. Veggie sausages with Swedish cream sauce, mashed potatoes. Yeah. So we just went to Kmart and we got this. So we're thinking we're going to use it on like our travels, like when we do hikes and stuff. It's just a little portable fan. Tommy also bought this backpack that he's gonna bring. We also got this from Kmart. It's just a LED lantern with 2 torches, so it will be good for like camping. I got this, which is really good for like day trips and stuff. We want to go whitewater rafting, so it's just a dry bag for 5 liters where you can keep like phone and camera, just so it stays dry. It's supposed to be waterproof, so I hope it is. Last but not least, we have these fairy lights, also from Kmart. They're little just little jar string light. We're gonna hang in the camper van, which hopefully will be fully booked tomorrow. We didn't actually like book anything today just because we're still like figuring out our budget with everything we want to do, like on the Whit Sundays, and like I want to do an intro dive and stuff like that. So but yeah, hopefully it's all booked tomorrow. Just selling my car now. It's been up for like 3 weeks, selling it with roof racks and everything because no one has seemed interested in them, so I'm selling it for 400. I'm glad I'm getting rid of it because it's just been stressful recently, but it's gonna be sad to say goodbye. I've already said goodbye though.
I still think it's cursed.
It hasn't been cursed, it's been great.
How do you, yeah, tell that to the kangaroo.
Yeah, just got the last things from the car. A knife, a hat and a spoon. Isn't that
That's
lovely?
the survival kit.
Another day on the farm.
I think about you all the time now. I guess I never feel the same. And I'm always waiting for your call back.
I freaking love that. Oh my god, look at that huge spot I've got. I had to put aloe vera on it. It's actually crazy, like whenever I get a bite it goes really big. I'm still at the hostel here in Bundaberg. It is our last weekend. It's Saturday today. We're leaving the hostel for our road trip next week on Wednesday I think, and I'm super excited. So I just thought I'd do a what I eat in a day in the hostel. We might be actually going to the beach today just because it is the weekend and we're off work. I literally have 3 days of farm work left. I'm so excited. So now I'm gonna make breakfast. It is like, I think it's 11, it's pretty late. Like we had a big lie-in today. It's Sunday the 14th of November, 17 minutes past 11. So this is what I have. I'm gonna put some matcha powder in, a banana, mango, some mixed berries, and a little bit of spinach. And then I've got a whole bag here with like seeds and stuff that I'm gonna use for my toppings.
Is this going to change my life forever?
I doubt it. You've already tried my smoothie bowls before, but the colour's nice, isn't it? No?
It's quite
It's vibrant.
Hey, you know the squat, right?
Hey. Hey. It's kind of watery though. I put a bit much water in it.
Water and all, it is beautiful. Hello YouTube. I know what you really want to see is what I'm eating for the day. This is not vegan, but it is vegetarian. What's up, guys? Hello, YouTube. I've actually been vegetarian for a month and a...
Pescatarian.
Pescatarian.
Yesterday.
Well, if David Attenborough says it's okay, then it's okay. No tuna in this though, this is vegetarian. Start you off on some country roads so you can get used to it. That's definitely.
We're at Elliot Heads. Here we go. Look, I found a pretty shell. I don't think this is that good.
That's where we're going. This is what we got across. We've almost made it to the other side of the beach. Oh, I thought there was a shark then. Ugh. We made it. How do you feel?
Amazing.
Amazing. And that's what we just crossed. You can put this as one of the first stops that we do on our trip. This is actually one of the nicer parts of Bundaberg.
One, go! We've just been hanging out on the beach. I'm now trying to find another beach right now. We found a small one, so we're just gonna walk down there and probably have some of the snacks that we bought. Just decided to sit down here with this lovely view, and then we're gonna head down and have a little swim later. We're having some apple with some peanut butter. So we're on the beach, just gonna have one last little swim before we go and head somewhere for dinner and a few drinks.
Middle of the night, watch the stars from different places, and the phases we call love won't ever start to change. But do you ever wake up feeling like everything is strange? We should buy one way to.
So we just ordered some food from this fish and chip shops. We were actually gonna go to this new pub, but the queue was like so long, so I think we would have had to book, but there's a 40-minute waiting time until we get our food, so we're just heading to a server right now.
We're gonna go buy some ice cream.
Gone down, we just sat by the ocean with some wine.
Ooh,
Tiny,
that's
but it
tiny.
looks. Hi guys, it's the next day. It is Saturday the 15th of November. My camera died yesterday, which was why I had to continue vlogging on my phone. So yeah, I didn't get that much footage, so I thought I'd continue this over a few days. And today I'm having a smoothie bowl again. This does never, this wouldn't happen on the weekdays because I have no time in the mornings. I get up like 10 minutes before I have to leave. So this is definitely not what I eat every morning, but I did another smoothie bowl, but today was exactly the same as yesterday, apart from I added the frozen mixed berries, and it looks like Tommy's got the same as yesterday as well.
Not the same.
No.
That's where you're mistaken.
Okay.
This time is chili flakes, not chili sliced.
Wow.
Big difference.
So see what's better then.
Oh, I thought you were going to be the judge.
Oh.
Do you like the one that I made you? This is the
Oh,
sliced bit. Look how small this is.
That's cute, thank you. And in here I have some luxury water. The water in the hostel is never cold, so I added ice and crushed lime. It's
that we're backpackers when that is luxury.
Yeah, it feels like being on holiday. So.
The worst thing that has happened, so you still okay. Baby, shine through and come. Baby.
No, quite an honest shot. I really needed a Bundaberg. Kmart. We made it to McDonald's. And I just put my video on live. I ordered a little soy latte. Super hot today. It's like 30 degrees today. So we're currently sat in McDonald's and we've decided to book a camper van instead of buying a car, which was our original plan, or you were going to buy a car. But then we ended up not finding any good ones, but we did find quite a good camper van for like a good price. And Tommy knows someone who works, what's the company called?
Welcome to travel.
So we're going to book via him and we're going to get on a phone call right now.
Yes, let's book it.
That's exciting.
Spend the summer in this beach house. 'Cause
Just got a mango and we're about to walk home from McDonald's. Finished uploading my video.
We didn't actually get anything.
We did, I got a nice coffee.
Yeah, but no food.
No food.
So that was brave is the word that I'm looking for.
Strong.
Strong.
Yeah. We're gonna cook pesto pasta at home with halloumi. I have a lot of clothes to pack. So I'm gonna do like a maybe pile and a no pile. And a yes.
He's on TV. I know the truth and it's so simple. Blame it all on stupid impulse. And I keep living out of my head. Just forgive me for my silence.
Halloumi pesto pasta in the making. Chef.
Memorized in my heart.
Hey guys, I'm on my 15-minute break before lunch. It is 9:30. Yeah, it is my 93rd day today, I think, on the farm, and we're leaving on Thursday. So I'm super excited. I'm just doing, after today, I only have 2 days left. Can't wait. Oh my god, look at me. This is how I look after a full day of work. It's currently like 4 o'clock. I finished 4:45. I can't wait to go back to the hostel and shower. Hello everyone, so today was my last day on the farm. It's crazy, I can't believe I'm finally done. It is the 18th of November today, and tomorrow me and Tommy are leaving to pick up our camper van that we hired. We're picking it up from Brisbane and we're taking the train. It leaves at 5 AM tomorrow morning, which we managed to book. Apparently it gets fully booked really quickly. Because of COVID, you need to like save a seat between every person. So right now I just put a wash on, and now I'm gonna start packing the food, like some of the food that we're gonna bring, because we will have a fridge and like a little gas stove cooker, I'm pretty sure. So I'm gonna head down to the kitchen and start packing up some of my things. So this is my suitcase, which I've pretty much already packed full, and I just put a wash on with quite a few things in. But yeah, I'm gonna pack some food things in this. So I found this big box in the hostel that no one was using, so I'm gonna clean this out. I can't wait. We've got like our Whitsundays trip booked in for this or next week, I'm pretty sure. I'm so excited. Going on a little boat trip. I'm gonna do a dive. I've never dived before. You guys are all gonna come along to this. Tomorrow when we arrive in Brisbane, I think we're gonna go meet Emma and a few others from the hostel and just have a little brunch. But then we do need to get going, because by the time we picked up our camper van and done brunching, it's gonna be like, what, 1 o'clock? And the drive from Brisbane up to Gladstone, which is our first stop, is like 6-7 hours. So yeah, we do want to get up there. We might have to stop on the way and sleep if it gets too exhausting. I'm super excited. I've never, like, the closest I've been to like a camper van holiday is like caravan holiday. I've never been without my family, so I'm super excited. So first thing I'm putting in is this. I kind of lost it. It was in the car the whole time. But I bought this $16 cheese slicer, and this is like something that is a must in every Swede's home, and they don't seem to have it out here. Like, you buy big chunks of cheese, but then how are you supposed to get the perfect slice for your sandwich on? But yeah, it just makes life so much easier. Must. I'm gonna wash it once. So everyone has their own little cupboard. Mine is this one, number 84. I'm gonna start sorting it out. It is pretty messy. I've got spilled quinoa everywhere, and this bag is just full of smoothie things, so I'm gonna need to sort out what I want to keep and what I'm throwing away. Yeah, I'll do a little time lapse. I've got loads of oats. This could be good to make like overnight oats with. Dates. My matcha powder or something has been leaking. So I filled this box. I've got like 1 lunch box. I know I've got more somewhere. Pack them later. I've got my smoothie stuff like dates. I've got a few bowls, a jar with some like knives and forks in. Guys, it's 10:15 and we just finished like packing our stuff. That's my backpack. You're only allowed 2 bags on the train. So I got my backpack and this suitcase. I really need a bigger suitcase because it is bursting. I could not hardly close it. Look how empty the room is. We just picked our van up. Look at it.
Ready?
Let's go.
I'm never gonna let you go, never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna